It's your girl Tori, and I am back with another video. I don't know if I'm looking at the right place. So today is Thursday. What's today's date? The 25th of July. So tomorrow I will be going to Orlando, Florida, because I have a trip with my family to go to Disney World, and it's supposed to be a 4-day weekend. So I'm leaving tomorrow early in the morning at 6, and I need to pack. So I thought, why not record this process and take you guys along with me. I hate holding my phone. Anyways, so all I'm bringing is a carry-on because, hello, I'm going tomorrow, which is Friday, and then I'm coming back Monday. So, you know, I don't need that much clothes. I just want to pack a few bikinis. However, I checked the weather and everything, and y'all, this weather says thunderstorm every day, and I'm just like, we chose the worst week. I'm just hoping. I've never been to Disney World before. We're going to Magic Kingdom, because we wouldn't be going to all the parks because we don't have that much time. Anyways, we're supposed to go tomorrow, and I'm just hoping there's a lot of indoor stuff to do because I've never been to Magic Kingdom, in case it rains a lot, because this rain is not about to stop my fun. But yeah, I hope it doesn't rain a lot. Let's pray, Lord, please let it not rain a lot, or please let it at least rain in the nighttime. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. But I just hope, yes, it doesn't rain too much, or it's just a drizzle here and there. You know, I can deal with that. And then, yeah, so we're supposed to do that, and I'm gonna pack my bags. I'm gonna show you what I packed. I bought a few outfits, but not that much because it's not long. But yeah, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I am back. It's later on today because I went and got my nails done. It's got regular red, got a pedicure, and oh my god, I look horrible in this lighting. But I just wanted to show you guys what I packed for this trip. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I did a bit of rearranging, and basically I just added some shoes underneath. So I have like 4 pairs of shoes. And what do you know, we mommy? Have 4 pairs of shoes, so I just have some sandals underneath, and then another flip-flop, and then I have 2 flip-flops over here. I have my makeup bag, all my makeup stuff, then I have some eyelashes, and then just some wipes. And I don't really know if I'll add anything more over here. Maybe. And then over here I have some more clothes. Just clothes that I'll be wearing out. And then I have my bikinis over here. Bras, underwear, socks, and some washcloths. So everything else as like things like moisturizers and stuff, I think I might put them in this bag, or I might just put them in my book bag that I'm taking with me. So if I do, I'll let you guys know how that looks. Hello you guys, so it is Friday around 4:30 I think, and I'm currently at the airport. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and let's see what we get into.
We won't fall back. Every time that's been in the city,
RJ. RJ. Say hi.
Oh yeah, me see it.
What?
Yeah. But when they sit where they bump them out, grow.
RJ, pay attention. Head to the vlog. Grandma, say hi. Hi. Ralph, say hi to the vlog.
Sorry, 5 o'clock. There's something for everyone. Enjoy your weekend.
Some people, and then and then they're gonna pick up some people come and come with us.
Oh, Jesus, that is so hard.
So it's gonna be coming.
Please stand clear of doors.
Oh! No lizard. It's a lizard, guys. Ugh, I forgot. Hey, you guys. So we have arrived, and it's like 8 p.m. right now. So when we got here, we took a nap because I wasn't able to vlog anything because I was so tired. Why is your thing like that?
Ow!
So now we're about to go to the pool for a little bit, cause why not? And you know, it's a little humid and the sun is still out, so we might as well. It's been raining on and off though, so
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
maybe it's the other way.
RJ! Come on.
Okay, so now we're in the pool area. It's so nice, you guys. Let me turn the camera around. This is a pool, y'all. It's so pretty.
Back up!
There goes RJ. Yeah? Right.
It's like a pack and it looks like a fire gun, but instead it sprays water. Because it's spray, it's massive.
It's here, you guys. Everywhere is wet though. Hello, you guys.
RJ? Come on. Wait, I can
Yeah, local switch.
Dewey, where's my traveler's pillow?
Yes, me can't now. Go on yours. RJ, Ralph have a key, right? Ralph have a key, right? Am I carry tablet or no? Hello, you guys. So now it is 10:13 at night.
10:30?
Yeah, 10:13. And we just got back from the pool. and we're about to, we got ready. I did my makeup and everything because, you know, I want to be cute or whatever.
Yeah, I love you too.
And now we're about to go out to eat. I think we're supposed to go to this place called, what's the place, Mommy?
Bahama Breeze.
Bahama Breeze. Say hi, RJ. It's my little brother, RJ. So yeah,
Which way?
we're about to drive there, see if their food is any good. And yeah,
Wow.
Steakhouse.
There's the thingy that we saw. Whatever you do, don't go on this.
hey guys, so we are currently at Banana Breeze. What am I saying? Bahama Breeze. It's really nice in here. I mean, I got myself a drink. It's really good. Right? Look at this cute drink, y'all. It's so cute. Oh. But yeah, we're currently like waiting for the food to come out. I'm starving, y'all. It's like probably after 11 now. I think they close at 1. So once they bring out the food, I'll let y'all see what it's looking like. Hopefully it's good.
Wait.
Yeah, you're not tasting it. But look, she said she don't want to taste it. And she didn't taste it. So I got the buttermilk chicken. And this one looks so good. Yeah, it tastes so good. Everyone, so it's Saturday. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom at the Walt Disney Resort, and it's around 8:30 because I did not close out last night's vlog because I was just so tired. I went to bed at almost 2, and then I've been up like since 3 that day. So I was so tired, and we woke up, and it's now almost 8:30. The park opens at 9. So I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we're gonna try to get there at as early as possible as we can, getting ready, and then
A trio 5, she said, right?
I think so, or 3 or 2, one of them. Call her. But yeah, we're about to go eat some breakfast, and then it's not. No, it's steps there, this up. It's steps there, right? This up. So we're gonna walk all the way back around this if we come back down the step, but we still have to walk. I think you mean to walk, but we walk over here the same. But it's really nice out today. I don't know how the weather's gonna hold up, because yesterday was nice too, but it kept having like little parts where it rained a lot. but we'll see. Okay, so we're finally ready, and I have my outfit on. I might do an outfit of the day. It's nothing crazy, but we all decided to get matching shirts, like every cliche family that comes to Disney World. Let me fix my piercing. Hate this pimple in my forehead. RJ here. Say hi, RJ. Got mommy here. Grandma. Little RJ again. Yo, we're at this big ass Walmart. Like, it stretches all the way. I think it goes all the way up there. Like, it is huge. This is nice. I wonder if I see any band on this today. Oh, I want one.
We do grandpa and dad don't.
I want
You guys know where they're there.
Well, they know I'm not intending. Why not?
I guess. I'm getting this for my... Okay. Does it look okay on my head?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. I think I'm gonna buy it.
No, because we're such a
Okay.
It's a nice
So we want
story.
to wear it, yes.
Yeah, we could have just bought our shirts here. I didn't think about it like that.
What?
Well, this
The hat
towards
is
me?
better.
No, get the
Get the
hat.
hat. The hat is much better.
Well, this
The hat has the ears.
Yeah, but that has the ear too.
But you don't prefer the hat?
I look so.
Yeah,
Keep the hat.
but
You're gonna want to wear it afterwards. You can't wear those looking like a girl. Look at yourself. That is cool.
Like it?
I think it looks dope. You like it? I guess you're gonna say you'll show your ticket, mommy. I guess you're gonna say you'll show your ticket, so make sure you have it ready. Have your email ready? Who? Oh, Venus and Verb! You know them, RJ? Yes! Venus and Verb. Oh my god. Follow them if it take her away. When I told you, I have been wanting to see this castle forever. Forever. Something smells so good. I'm hungry. Yeah. Right. Mama, look for one of them. Some that was spray scent. You didn't know that? So they have little stuff out throughout the place with spray scent to make you think you smell stuff. You hear me? Mommy, the castle. The castle.
Well, Piggy, this is a story about the founding fathers. There's no part for you. No part for moi? Oh, we'll see about that. Sheesh. Okay, places, everyone. Sam, JJ, take it away. All right, friends, what do you say? You want to help us make history?
The year is 1776.
1776!
We are in Philadelphia.
Philadelphia!
JJ, why are you doing that?
Yes, I'm the town crier.
Well, cheer up and allow me to continue. The year is 1776, and the Second Continental Congress has convened.
Roll call. Thomas Jefferson. Hi-ho, Jefferson here. John Adams.
Hey, that's me.
And the highly quotable Benjamin Franklin.
Ah, Ben Franklin here. A penny saved is a penny.
We're currently at Splash Mountain, and I guess we got a fast pass for it, so we're gonna see how that goes.
I want to go on it.
Let me get my bag and take out my Y'all, this ride doesn't look scary, but they dumped them into that water and I'm not trying to get wet. Hopefully it doesn't get me that wet. Just like a sprinkle, you know? So this is the fast pass entrance. And mommy, you see that? What wait time? 120 minutes. That's past 4 minutes and 28 seconds.
over here.
But yeah, let's see how this goes. So now we're currently about to go into, what's this? Buzz Lightyear something. I don't know what it's called, but it's something to do with Buzz Lightyear in the back. It looks fun. Let me show you. Oh, you gotta get into this fast. Who up here? Grandma, you going out there? It's so pretty. Huh? What's something with ice cream?
What's this one?
Oh. Oh, sorry.
Look on. We're going to let my mom and then. We're not.
I am recording.
Chop, chop, drop.
Mari. Hold on.
Right in school.
No, it's not a school. It's a dead thing.
And then you're cold.
Hear it. What's up?
Trying to park here?
Where we going now? Yeah, what good on that? Eh? Sunday. It's just a chill day. I'm at the pool, but I'm not getting in yet just because I'm not ready. I might get in like around 3 or 4. But it's around like 1 o'clock right now. And I'm just relaxing. I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm starving. And then, yeah, I think we might just walk the strip tonight and see what's there. And we want to try this restaurant called Callaloo. Oh, this stuff on my mouth. So yeah, we want to try this restaurant later. And then, yeah, that's gonna conclude today. And then we go back tomorrow, back to Philly. So far this was a fun trip. We spent 1 day at Disney World because it was a short trip, but it was really fun. We were there all day, got a lot of stuff done, and definitely have to come back to try out the other theme parks. But I will say it was fun. I had a lot of fun with my family, and yeah. Hey you guys, so just a quick outfit of the day or night. So I'm just rocking this bag that I got from Ross, I think, back in March. I forgot the price. However, I also got this romper from Ross as well. I bought it the other day. These shoes, I'm not sure where I got these from, but I got them like last summer. I tripped this one, but I got them last summer. I don't know the place where I got them, but yeah. And I just did a cute top now, and I have my jeans jacket that I plan to pair it with. And mommy, don't turn it like that for one video. But yeah, that's the outfit, guys. And then I have a little jean jacket because it might be cold. And yeah, that's all right. Oh, let me try not to. So try to add to my vlog. Hello, you guys. In the water. Oh, probably can't see. Okay, perfect. It's the last night in Orlando. It was so fun, you guys. Oh, and I got this one-piece suit from Pretty Girl. I don't know if you guys have, I don't know if Pretty Girl has an online store. Probably not, so. But yeah, I'm currently in the hot tub. It's so nice. They turned the jets off, but it's still warm. But yeah. You see the lightning in the back just now? It was raining so hard when we left. It was raining really hard, and then now it's just like lightning, like. So the pool closes at 11, and it is now like 10:40 something. So you know, I got a little more time before I can go in. I'm gonna take a shower, wash all this makeup off, put my hair in its bonnet, and go to bed so that I can wake up early, get some free breakfast, and then head for the airport because I heard TSA here in Orlando, it's a hassle because my family today, my aunt and stuff, they left the day early. So they left today and they were like, it took them like almost 2 hours in that line. So we might have to leave earlier than usual because we did get a rental car. So we have to return that and then get a shuttle back to the airport from where we dropped it off. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If I might record tomorrow at the airport, maybe not, who knows. But if I don't record, I'm just gonna close this vlog out and say thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to click the like button and subscribe because I will be making a lot more videos to come. And yeah, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe because it's free, and yeah, have a good one. No American. So y'all, we took Frontier Airlines back, but we're on it now. And when I tell you these seats are so hard, and I'm gonna turn this camera so y'all can see how tiny this thing is. Like, this is it. And then the last 2 rows in the back, they don't even have windows. I cannot, the ghetto. But we're about to take off soon, get back to Philly. So once again, I'm gonna close this vlog out. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe because I will be making more videos. And yeah, I'm gonna say bye to the vlog. Bye. See you.